I want to welcome you to Webb Nocatee. If you're not familiar with Webb, it is a active adult lifestyle community located in Ponte Vedra, Florida, within the amazing neighborhood of Nocatee. A little bit more about Webb. It's for 55 and over, but let me tell you something. It is not a retirement community. Instead, it's meant to have an active lifestyle with tons and tons of activities. Within the Webb community, you have your own full-time activities director, as well as a gorgeous state-of-the-art amenity center. Not to mention, if you live in Webb Nocatee, you still have access to all of the remarkable amenities right here in Nocatee. Can't wait to show you the property. Take a look.